Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to connect Metamask to OKExChain. These are the instructions. I'll share the link separately, but you can very well Google on the details. What you have to do is open Metamask extension, click on Add Network, and here you need to provide network name, which I'll copy probably from here. Let's see, and I'll copy the other details as well. Chain is 66, currency symbol is OKT, and Explorer URL is, for some reason it's not letting me copy. That's a bit odd. But yeah, found okay. And Explorer would be this. Oh, it's optional, but yeah. And OKEX. I think hopefully this should work. Though it has redirected. HTTPS xchain rpc okx.org. Yep, save. And you should be able to see. Now you're connected to OKExChain, and this would be your new wallet address, and you can send OKT token and receive OKT tokens on this address. Thank you.